From a helicopter, a man observes a point on the ground at an angle of depression 60 degrees. If the helicopter is flying at a height of 600 meter from the ground, draw a suitable diagram for the situation. So let's draw a horizontal line first. This is the ground, okay, and the helicopter is somewhere at 600 meters from the ground. This is the height of the helicopter from the ground. So let us assume that helicopter is at point A and B is that point of it on the ground. Okay. And from the helicopter, first we need to draw a horizontal line, okay, which is parallel to the ground. This is horizontal line. And then the man observes a point on the ground. Okay, so this is his line of sight, and the point on the ground is C. So this is called line of sight. So the angle between the line of sight and the horizontal, so this angle is 60 degrees because he is observing from top to bottom. He is on the top and the point is on the ground, the bottom. So this angle is called angle of depression. So this is the diagram.